where I have to use a pistol, just a pistol, and my grenades and stuff. And I have to at least get 2 kills to the challenge to be the challenge. Alright, just gotta lock in here. Pretty hard. I think it's pretty hard. Alright, I'm gonna watch this. Just threw a bomb, now it's gonna break the thing. What's he doing? Probably not even near there. Maybe there could be, but I hear shots. Oh, I killed him. I got him. See, if you click on the right, I got it. Remember, I have to at least get 2 or 3 kills for the challenge for me to win the challenge, basically. Never mind, I didn't do a single damage. Alright. I don't know if we're gonna win this one. Oh wait, no, we will. Yeah, we won. If this dude doesn't die right here, then we win. 3, 2, 1. We won the round. Let's go. So I got 1 kill with that match. 1 kill. Collector. Attack. Alright, so I got attack. Again, we got the pistol. Ooh. I got it. If I just get 1 kill per round, I can the challenge I can win the challenge. I don't know why I have a hard time thinking of that. Three, 2, 1, deploy. Pistol out. Got it. Okay, so I gotta kill sis. Got him. 2 kills. Oh, I died. that ain't my Alright, so I got 2 kills. Yep, 2 kills, 2 kills. Let's go. Alright, I think yeah. Alright, 3 or more kills to win. This 2's kind of easy. Alright, shoot out these lights. Watch, it's gonna explode. I'm calling it right now because it's exploding. Destroy the drone. That means someone's coming. They got an ammo over there. Got him. Alright, basically I'm just gonna get as many kills as I can. Since I did the limit, the amount that I need. Let's see. Believe. There's Who's up here? Well, we won the match. Ooh, I'm averaging 1 kill per round. That's pretty good. Especially with the pistol. Let's see. Yeah, 3 kills. That's crazy. Alright. So, while we wait, if you want, I'm not forcing you guys, hit that like and subscribe button if you're enjoying the video. Because there'll be plenty more every couple days or every day if I feel like it, you know. So, yep. So we're just waiting 15 more seconds, and then I'll be able to go in there, pop, 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 shoot everyone. Especially with the pistol. If you play this game, you'll know that it's somewhat hard. It's weird killing people with pistols. Because like you're used to your big guns. They're not terrible. Got him. Oh yeah! Alright, so we won the match 4-0. That was pretty cool. 4 kills, 1 per round. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe come back tomorrow.